All right, good morning, YouTube. I want to come on here and show you my Christmas video. I know it's been a while, but I've had a lot going on. I've been working part-time for the holiday season, and so I've just been so busy. But I want to come on and do a really quick tour. I'm going to be hosting a Christmas party this weekend, so I'm going to be moving furniture around. Things are going to change, and I'm probably just going to leave it that way until after Christmas because I'm hosting Christmas Eve. So here we go. This is my dining room. I pretty much, see a little piece of me. I look a mess, guys. I literally wrote out and came and did this video before we do some final touches. But anywho, everything is pretty much the same as it was last year. I switched the table up just a bit to have a little more of a simple look. This is my same arrangement that I've had all year. All I did was add a winter wreath down here and Christmas pigs inside of the arrangement. A lot of stuff is still the same. Hobby Lobby, Family Dollar, Home Goods, and Walmart placemats. And some things like these were thrifted or yard sale. And this is what I did for my bar cart. Just to add a little festivity over here in this corner. Nothing too much. Plenty of peppermints and and I just put bows on the same wreaths I had last year. This year I did do one thing different. I added the garland up here, Walmart lit garland. Next year I think I'll go a little heavier with the garland and make it a little fuller. But I like it. I got this lamp from Burke's Outlet. It's a new store here in town. And then again, I did this last year. I'm gonna check out my garland. My picks, again, that's Walmart garland with Walmart picks. And this is my little fun little gingerbread whimsical area here. I like to have lots of candy around. And I put a wreath up there in the mirror. That's a yard sale wreath for 50 cents. So check out the yard sales in the summertime. Okay. Get a good look at all that. One of those little plastic apothecary jars you can get from Walmart. Michael sells them too. And then here's my Christmas. We are putting up a new TV this year. So we just haven't put it up yet. I know it took us a long time because we're like, it still works, but it's time. With Disney Plus and all, we like to watch all those movies down here. And Fire Sticks, of course, don't work on those old TVs. So, time to upgrade. So, I just put a big wreath there. I thought about doing the 2 wreaths in the window, and I might do that next year. But I just put my great big wreath there because I recently had my front door painted, and I just didn't want to put that on there. All of these little trees were like $5, and they came from Dee Dee's, which is the discount store of Ross. Same with the ribbon. The reason for the season. So my little manger scene. But aren't these trees really cute? $5. They're more than that at Target. And they're completely flocked, and they have the buffalo check on them. So, sorry about the lighting, guys. I'm doing the best I can with the lighting situation. But here's my tree. You guys, this is my same tree I've had, but I ordered this stuff from Amazon and I flocked it myself. And I'm just showing you a close-up. Look how good it looks. I wanted a flocked tree, but I didn't want to spend the money. So I just did it myself because that's what we do. It is not a King's, what is that tree everybody, all the YouTubers are having? Like their King, I forget the name of her, King James, I don't know, something tree. This is not it. This is just a good old Walmart tree that I've had for a few years that I decided to flock. Those of us who can afford hundreds and hundreds, up to $1,000 for a tree, or we're not gifted those expensive trees, you don't have to do that. Walmart has great trees, guys. And so does Hobby Lobby after the Christmas season. And those are my big candy canes I got from Five and Below. All right, look at my beautiful, I don't think I've shown you on this rug. Look at this huge rug. It's a 10 by 20, and I got it for $120 from a store called Ollie's. Here's my couch. This hasn't changed much since last year. I just added a few more pillows. Yes, this rug is like walking on a cloud. I love it. So there's the mantle, what I did there. Some extra. All right. So if you guys see like briefcases hanging about, it's my husband. He works from everywhere in the house. All right, and here's the Christmas kitchen. I didn't do that much. We're going to be painting this kitchen probably next week before Christmas. So I'll come back on here. So this is kind of a before video. And I'll show you how it looks after we're changing out the Allen and everything. So this kitchen's getting a little bit of an upgrade. So I didn't do that much in here. I just wanted to get prepared for my party. But I just kept this table very simple because it's getting ready to get moved in a minute. Removing everything, getting ready for the party tomorrow. So we'll have new tables and stuff coming in. But this is what I did. I just added greenery and pops of red. That's just a regular old colander with Hobby Lobby greenery. So I just added my Walmart garland up there. Wreaths. These are my same wreaths I have all year. Just added the, ribbon up there. Vintage pot warmers, and love those pot holders. I'm sorry. This little area I like to keep a little whimsical. Added these little stick lights up there, but you really can't see them, so it doesn't matter. It's my regular pot, a little Dollar Tree sign up there, and my Christmas. I just added bows onto my jars. And this is a little cute little Christmas corner, one of my fake cakes. Added a little wreaths up here. And then there's the coffee station. So that's fun, right? Dollar Tree mugs. My little goddaughter's bottle. All right. And I just added a Walmart sign there. And so that's it, guys. That is my Christmas tour. Look at this little light up battery operated tree. You can't see, but yes, it lights up. All right, guys, that's my little Christmas tour. Hope you all enjoy it and have a blessed holiday season. Merry Christmas, guys.